There are a lot of things to think about when you buy a new TV. Its size, its features, its design. Historically, one of the most important things has been picture quality. If you didn't have a great picture, nothing else mattered. Our efforts to create the best possible picture have led to a series of world firsts: the LED TV, the curved UHD TV, and the cadmium-free quantum dot TV. These are just a few of the ways that we've revolutionized the industry over the years, and we're continuing to shape the future of the industry with technology like micro-LED. We've been the global leader in TVs for 13 years because of innovations in picture quality and in everything else you care about. We created new size categories like 82-inch ultra-large screens. We added new connectivity features like the world's first television app store. And we made design a priority, introducing accessories like the invisible cable, features like ambient mode, and entirely new products like the frame. All of these innovations enhance your home and enrich your life. Our commitment to innovation doesn't just end with the TV itself. It applies to all of your home entertainment needs, including audio. After all, you're not just watching, you're listening too. That's why we've created a range of dynamic soundbars that look great and sound even better. They're designed to match the look of your TV so that your eyes are drawn to the action on the screen, not the accessories around it. They also come with features that adapt the sound to whatever you're watching, wherever you're watching it. When paired with a Samsung TV, they create extraordinary ways for you to interact with and access your content, making our TVs and soundbars the perfect match for each other. And for 2019, we're building on our legacy of innovation to deliver the ultimate cinematic experience in the home.
A few years ago, anything over 55 inches was considered a big screen TV. Now, anything under 75 inches isn't. And they're only getting bigger. Sales of TVs larger than 75 inches are growing dramatically every year. At Samsung, we're uniquely positioned to deliver stunning picture quality on an ultra-large screen. QLED screens offer the best colors and the best brightness on the market, so they look amazing whether you're watching them in the dark at night or in your sunlit living room on a Saturday afternoon. And in 2019, there's more to love about QLED than ever before, beginning with our revolutionary new line of 8K QLED TVs. TV screens may be getting bigger, but living rooms aren't, which means we're still sitting the same distance from our TVs. So we need higher resolution to make sure you never see individual pixels on the screen. With 4 times more pixels in 4K resolution, 8K is a game changer, and you can experience it today thanks to our quantum processor 8K and AI upscaling technology. It can upscale any content to pristine and true-to-life 8K quality, from your old home videos to local sports games to the latest show. Everything you love to watch in the highest resolution available. Once you see it for yourself, you won't want anything less. And our commitment to innovation is just as impressive in our QLED 4K TVs. Take these 3 features. First, quantum dots combine vivid colors with brilliant brightness to deliver a realistic and true-to-life picture. Direct full array local dimming is available on more models than ever. It makes your blacks deeper and your whites brighter to improve contrast on the screen. And finally, our new quantum light control provides an ultra-wide viewing angle, reducing glare so the colors, brightness, and detail remain constant no matter where you sit. These features mean that everything you watch is going to look great. But first, you need to decide what you want to watch. That's where Universal Guide comes in. You can search live TV and all of your subscription services in one place. And it recommends content customized to your specific tastes. Our new Samsung One Remote features far-field voice capabilities, so you can use Bixby to control your TV or get personalized recommendations without ever picking up the remote. And will soon be compatible with smart assistants like Amazon Echo and Google Home, so you can change the channel or pause the show you're watching. All of these devices work with the SmartThings dashboard on your TV, so you can interact with the rest of your smart home. Let's say my wife and I are having a movie night. We can control all our connected devices, so we can dim the lights, close the blinds, even check what snacks are in our Family Hub fridge, all without having to get up from the couch. It's all about streamlining your experience so you can relax and enjoy. We've even designed our TVs to minimize distractions when you're not watching. We introduced ambient mode last year to critical acclaim. This year, we've made ambient mode even better with new features and options. With the push of just one button, you'll never have to see a blank screen again. And for the first time this year, our design-focused TVs are now a part of the QLED lineup. The frame is a TV when it's on and art when it's off. With more than 1,000 pieces of art available in our online store, you can turn any room into a personalized gallery. With its bold design, the Serif makes a statement in any space. QLED creates an image on the screen as striking as the TV itself. Whether you want 4K or 8K, whether you love watching documentaries or sports, there's a QLED TV that's perfect for you.
Audio is so important for consumers that are buying a new TV because the TV is really only half of the experience. You really need to have great sound in order to complete the other half. And with our soundbars, we offer a lot of different features that really give the consumer an immersive sound experience right in their own home. The biggest consideration when buying a new soundbar is how well it will match your TV. That starts the moment you buy a QLED TV. Every TV has a matching soundbar with the same model number so you can find it immediately, and the same color scheme so it blends right in. There's a lot of different exclusive features that only Samsung can offer. With SmartThings, it's easy to set up your soundbar at home and to connect your streaming music services. Plus, it works seamlessly with your Samsung One remote and compatible voice assistants. Adaptive Sound reads the frequency signal of your content to adapt the audio for the specific scene. You'll be able to hear everything from the loudest explosions in an action movie to the quietest conversations in a drama, even if you're watching at low volume. Game Mode Pro is designed specifically for gaming. When you turn on your console, it will use the up-firing speakers to make your gameplay even more immersive. We also work with some of the best sound engineers in the industry to complete the experience. Our higher-end Q line comes with side-firing and up-firing speakers that support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Together, these features create a dynamic soundscape that puts you at the center of the action. With our leadership in acoustic technology, you're guaranteed to get best-in-class sound. Top-of-the-line video demands top-of-the-line audio. And with one of our soundbars, your QLED TV is guaranteed to sound just as good as it looks.
We know that home entertainment isn't just about having the best soundbar or the biggest screen. It's about being connected to the content that you love. It's about catching every game and every episode. So whatever it is that you're passionate about, we want you to get the most out of all of those moments when your team completes that Hail Mary, or when you win that final race or battle, or when that epic Game of Thrones scene begins. These are the moments when the quality of your TV matters the most. And that's why we're working with industry-leading partners to create products that will make a really meaningful difference during those moments. Our engineers have been working with Microsoft engineers for the last few years to develop next-generation gaming features that will give you that extra bit of speed, visibility, advantage when you're playing your favorite game. So, for example, Real Game Enhancer raises black levels while maintaining peak brightness, so it's just a lot easier to capture your enemies that are lurking in the dark. And it optimizes audio based on specific actions happening on the screen. And when you're playing a fast-paced game like Forza, a few milliseconds can make all the difference in the world. Our QLED TVs deliver the lowest lag time in the industry to make sure that your TV never gets in the way of your win. And then there's AMD FreeSync, which adapts our TVs to your console's frame rate, so you'll always experience smooth visuals without any screen stuttering. Sometimes you'd rather watch a game than play one, and so we've partnered with ESPN to show the best way to watch college football is with QLED. Its superior performance for color, contrast, brightness means that you can catch every detail of every play, whether you're watching on Monday night or Saturday afternoon. So unless you're on the sidelines, really the best place to be on game day is in front of a Samsung TV. When we're looking to watch content, many of us already have a vast library of stuff we love right there on our computers or phones. That's why we partnered with Apple to make Samsung the first TV platform ever to get the Apple TV app. Starting this spring, you can easily access all of the movies and TV shows in your library, as well as Apple TV channels. And starting this fall, you'll be able to watch all of their original programming with Apple TV+. We also worked with Apple to add AirPlay 2 support. So starting spring 2019, you can effortlessly play media content from your Apple device directly to your QLED TV. Now, when you start watching last night's episode on the subway, you can finish it on the big screen at home with just a couple of taps. We have so much more exciting news to share over the next few months. At Samsung, everything we do is in service to you, the fans. Whether you're a sports fan, a movie fan, or a gaming fan, we create technology that empowers you, enables you, and inspires you to enjoy all the things that you love. It's up to us to have dreams about what's possible, and it's up to you to enjoy it.